Are you in a situation where everything seems hopeless? Where it feels like no matter what you have done, nothing seems to change, and all your dreams, goals, and prayers are going unanswered? Perhaps you're facing a season of discouragement, feeling like you've been waiting for far too long. If that's where you are, let me encourage you today. God is about to surprise you. The Bible tells us that with God all things are possible. When we face situations that seem too big to handle, too complicated to fix, or too broken to mend, it is important to remember that God specializes in the impossible. In Isaiah 55 verse 8 to 9, God says, "For my thoughts are not your thoughts, nor are your ways my ways. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts." Get ready, because God is going to surprise you. The very thing you thought would never turn around, suddenly it's going to happen in your favor. Maybe you've been waiting on that job offer, and despite all your efforts and qualifications, it just hasn't come. Maybe you've been passed over for promotions, unsure why your hard work hasn't been recognized. Or perhaps you're dreaming of a new business venture, but the funding and resources seem impossible to secure. I want to remind you today, God sees you. He knows the desires of your heart, and He's working behind the scenes to align things in your favor. The doors that have seemed shut will suddenly open. You'll receive that promotion, increase, or business opportunity you've been waiting for, and it will be clear that it was God's hand at work in your life. Support this channel by giving us a super thanks. Your contribution helps us continue creating great content. Thank you for being part of our community and for your generous support. God bless you. Just when you thought it would never happen, things are going to fall into place, and you will be positioned in rooms you never dreamed of entering. God is going to place you in positions that you once thought were too far out of reach, where you will not only have the opportunity, but the favor to make an impact. The recognition for your hard work will come. God is preparing a moment of visibility for you. Those who have overlooked you or underestimated you will see your value, and you will be elevated. That scholarship, that recommendation, that approval you've been waiting for is coming, and it's going to be everything you've dreamed of and more. It's not because you've earned it through your own strength, but because God is going to show you favor that surpasses what you could have ever done on your own. I want you to hold on to hope, even when things look bleak. Don't give in to discouragement or despair. God is able to do what seems impossible. There's nothing too hard for Him. If you've been praying for something that seems out of reach, keep praying, keep trusting, keep expecting. Support this channel by giving us a super thanks. Your contribution helps us continue creating great content. Thank you for being part of our community and for your generous support. God bless you.